to Ocean's 8, Durban. Do you see what an amazing day to be alive? Blue sky, sunshine, warm water, amazing vibes. What more can you want?
Hi, my name is Kathleen Ruet. I'm from Project Rhino, and we are a proud founder NGO, part of Ocean's 8 Charity Swim, along with Singakweza Duct and NSRI. Ocean's 8 is a collaboration of 15 charities that have a footprint in KwaZulu Natal. Everyone trying to make a difference in our beautiful country, in our beautiful province. Everything from early childhood development to rhino conservation, cleaning our rivers, supporting our children. We're very proud of what we've achieved. This is our 4th year with Ocean's 8, and we've raised 1.4 million rand to date this year alone. And we are definitely a bunch of charities that share initiatives, share a passion for our country and trying to make a difference.
You think it's nice to you can see by that top column it's your chiropractic that offering
That's two.
Good morning everyone, my name is Juelz and I was part of the Ocean's 8. The swim was hard for me at first. I wanted to give up, but then everyone kept pushing, so I finally enjoyed, got into the groove of it, and it was a great swim. Coming back next year for sure. Thank you.
Well, listen, Ocean's 8 is absolutely brilliant. I've had 3 epic swims, 1 more to go, and just loving it. It is super fantastic. Well done, guys.
Hello, I'm Tobega. I came for the swim in support of Duduzi and all the other charities. It was a difficult one initially, but then as you go along, it gets smooth, relaxing, and it's amazing. Definitely coming back next year.
So good, love seeing the fish underneath. Really epic, absolutely awesome.
Howdy, this is Tess. It's my inaugural 8-mile swim at Ocean's 8. Last year I was a baby and did 1 mile. Now we boosted it to 8, feeling liquor, feeling strong. The vibes are awesome. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Mfundo. This was my first time swimming the Ocean's 8. It was a great experience, very exhilarating experience, and looking forward to entering again next year and doing this for the charities. Yay! Ocean's 8! Yay!
Was fabulous. As you can see, we are now lounging on the beach because we're done and dusted and it's a perfect day.
Ocean's 8!